I gave you my heart.
Welcome to Million Dollar Cafe. If you want to be a successful person, then make sure to subscribe to our channel. We remind you to focus on what you want. If you don't know how to focus and where to focus, we have a specific video for that. Just click the card above or link in the description below to get you there. It doesn't take too much time, just a 100-second video, information on how to focus and where to focus. Today, one big secret about success. Most of them don't tell you this secret. Many of us want to be successful, but we don't know when and how it will come. When we achieve success in our life? That's the question mark for many of us. Today, I am going to reveal the secret behind this. Success doesn't happen to you. It happens because of you. I will tell you once again, listen closely. Success doesn't happen to you. It happens because of you. Success is not a thing that we have to wait and get it like a lucky thing. It does not come to your hands simply without doing anything. If you are thinking about how to achieve most of the time, it also doesn't work. Because it is only a thought process. We are doing nothing here too. What do we have to do to make it happen? How the success comes to your hand? Success happens because of you. You are the only person to trigger that success that you want in your life. Triggering success means we have to make actions in the path of what you want. Actions are the only thing that triggers success. It's the power that you have within you. If you don't trigger, success doesn't happen to you. Be sure to utilize each and every opportunities that come. Just make an action plan and do that. It helps you to trigger the success. It's the secret behind this. Success doesn't happen to you. It happens because of you. You are the only person to trigger the success. Just make an action plan and do that. If you want to be motivated daily, just subscribe to our channel because we are preparing valuable content daily only for you. Subscribe and click the bell icon to get notified.